Welcome to our video on the future of software engineering. In this video, we will explore the latest trends and innovations in software engineering and how they are shaping the future of this field. As we all know, software engineering has come a long way since its inception. From the early days of punch cards and mainframes to the modern era of cloud computing and artificial intelligence, software engineering has evolved into a complex and dynamic field. In this segment, we will discuss the current state of software engineering and how it is evolving to meet the demands of the future. So, let's dive in and explore the exciting world of software engineering. One of the most significant trends in software engineering is the rise of artificial intelligence (AI). AI is revolutionizing the way we develop software and the way software interacts with users. AI is being used to develop intelligent applications that can learn from user behavior and adapt to changing environments. This has led to the development of chatbots, virtual assistants, and other intelligent applications that can provide personalized experiences to users. AI is also being used to automate software development processes, such as testing and debugging. This has led to faster development cycles and improved software quality. In the future, we can expect AI to play an even more significant role in software engineering. AI will be used to develop more intelligent applications that can understand natural language and interact with users in a more human-like way. Overall, the rise of AI is transforming software engineering and opening up new possibilities for developers and users alike. Another trend that is shaping the future of software engineering is the emergence of low-code development. Low-code development is a visual approach to software development that allows developers to create applications using drag-and-drop interfaces and pre-built components. Low-code development is gaining popularity because it allows developers to create applications faster and with less coding. This means that developers can focus on the business logic of the application rather than the technical details. Low-code development is also making it easier for non-technical users to create their own applications. This is because low-code platforms provide a user-friendly interface that does not require any coding knowledge. In the future, we can expect low-code development to become even more prevalent. This is because it is a faster and more efficient way to develop applications, and it allows developers to focus on the business logic of the application rather than the technical details. Overall, the emergence of low-code development is transforming the way we develop software and making it easier for businesses to create their own applications. As software becomes more prevalent in our daily lives, cybersecurity is becoming increasingly important. Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting computer systems and networks from digital attacks. In the future, we can expect cybersecurity to become even more critical as more devices become connected to the internet. This is because connected devices are vulnerable to cyber attacks, and a single attack can have far-reaching consequences. To address this, software engineers will need to develop more secure software and implement better security measures. This will require a shift in mindset, where security is considered a fundamental aspect of software development rather than an afterthought. In addition, software engineers will need to stay up to date with the latest security threats and technologies. This will require ongoing training and education to ensure that they have the skills and knowledge needed to develop secure software. Overall, cybersecurity is a critical aspect of software engineering, and it will become even more important in the future as more devices become connected to the internet. Finally, the future of software engineering will be characterized by increased collaboration. As software becomes more complex and interconnected, it will require teams of developers to work together to create and maintain it. To facilitate this collaboration, software engineers will need to adopt new tools and methodologies. This will include agile development methodologies, which emphasize collaboration and communication between team members. In addition, software engineers will need to use collaboration tools such as version control systems, project management software, and communication platforms to work together effectively. The future of collaboration in software engineering will also be characterized by increased diversity. As software becomes more ubiquitous, it will need to be developed by teams that reflect the diversity of the users who will be using it. This means that software engineering teams will need to be more inclusive and welcoming to people from diverse backgrounds. This will require a shift in culture, where diversity and inclusion are considered essential aspects of software development. Overall, the future of software engineering will be characterized by increased collaboration and diversity. This will require software engineers to adopt new tools and methodologies and to embrace a more inclusive culture.